Initially, students used the repeating 4-column core to reason that one template would be 5 centimeters, because a 4-column core would repeat 5 times on a 20-column template. The number of cores, therefore, was equal to the number of centimeters of beadwork. As Shelby says, if your wrist is 14 centimeters, it'll be 14 cores that are needed for your bracelet. With that knowledge, students were then able to determine the number of beads they would need by adding up groups of 20, since each core was made up of 20 beads. Students could then take that understanding to compare their bracelet to Mrs. Letts, whose wrist was 15 centimeters. They were able to flexibly think about a comparison in terms of number of columns. So, for example, if my wrist is 14 centimeters, I need 4 fewer columns. They were also able to compare in terms of number of beads. So I would need 40 fewer beads if my wrist is 13 centimeters. Students developed an understanding of many ratios. 4 columns is equal to 1 centimeter of beadwork, so 20 columns is equal to 5 centimeters of beadwork. 1 core equals 1 centimeter of beadwork, so 5 cores or 1 template equals 5 centimeters of beadwork. 1 core is 20 beads, which is 1 centimeter of beadwork. When the patterns had cores other than 4 columns, students used other units in their reasoning. For example, Kaylee and Cody counted by 4s across the template to determine that 1 template equaled 5 centimeters of beadwork. Since Kaylee knew she needed 10 centimeters of beadwork, she knew she had to complete 2 templates, or 40 columns. Similarly, Wyatt knew he needed 2 full templates, plus an additional 12 columns to make 13 centimeters. In this study, the students were not taught specific strategies for reasoning proportionally, but were able to do so because they understood the context of the problem.